Look who's here. You guys can open your eyes just to see happiness here. And when you do that, you're so good. So closing your eyes, you guys can lay down. And if you fall asleep, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the intention that the attunement, the alignment, all this stuff, play and listen to it again consciously. But don't like fight like falling asleep. Like if you fall asleep and you fall out of consciousness, it's just because when you rise into a higher state of consciousness than you're used to being in, you think you're asleep. That's why you wake up right when the meditation's over. You're like, huh, what? Because you're aware of what's going on, or what's going on is you're being attuned. Your brain just can't keep up with the frequency. So anyway, spirit that created the spirit that's in the earth is also something that you are. You are multidimensional, multifaceted, at the top of your head, just kind of scan through with your mind. Almost like a little sifter is kind of going back and forth.